Hey guys, Suyun here with another episode of What's My Blank. Even though Supreme season is done, we'll be back August, fall, winter season for Supreme. We gotta go hunt for some other stuff. And this time I got something that y'all probably did not expect me to get. Let's go ahead and look at what I got. You guys probably know the brand Kith. I think I unboxed a few stuff here and there in this channel, but this time they were dropping a Kith collab with the Looney Tunes, and there was a bunch of stuff being dropped, going from hoodie, sweater, t-shirt. But for me, I decided to get something that's not an apparel but more accessories. I'm a sucker for accessories, so it just kind of makes sense that I went for this instead. Before we talk about this, I did try to go for Taz shirt first. It has the black Taz in the front, but I couldn't get it. So it was like really quick sold out. Actually, it sold out faster than this. So yeah, I tried to go for that first, came back and went for this. And surprisingly, I thought this would be the first one to go, but I guess not many people went for the accessories. That said, let's look at what I got. This is the Looney Tunes 8-pack plush set. And it came in the box like this. It was actually a bigger box, pretty light, because again, this is a plush more than anything. So they did sell some plush individually, unique set, but this one is a combination of 8 Looney Tunes characters. So let's take a look. In the front, checkered Kith logo, which is something that Kith does a lot. They like to play with their box logo and checker it up. And on the front, it has the Looney Tunes Kith and all the character that kind of comes with it. Kind of going from the beginning, gonna be Roadrunner, Coyote, Sylvester, Tweety Bird, Daffy Duck. It looked like Taz, and then the Martian. So, and of course, can't forget the Bugs Bunny. So those are the added character that comes with this. All around it's a checkered Looney Tunes Kith logo. And then on the back, this is what I was reading off of, the character that comes with it. The box is pretty cool. I'm curious to see the size of this plush because 8 of them fit into this box. So let's go ahead and open and see and take out each individual plush. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. The box opens like this. Oh, and the cover is pretty dope, graphic, Kith logo all over, where it would be Looney Tunes. Instead of Looney Tunes, it has a Kith logo, which I think is dope, and it comes individually wrapped doll like this. Pretty cool. We'll take all of them out. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And inside, still all around the box, has the Looney Tunes Kith character all over the place. So the box itself is pretty dope. I'm definitely going to be keeping this box and put all the plush back in. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. This one is the Coyote. It has a tag here, but doesn't really have anything more than the Looney Tunes and Kith tag. Have the box logo Kith on the front, long ass nose, but pretty cool, pretty soft actually, more soft than I expected, but it's not like firm, it's not weighted or anything, so it doesn't look like it's gonna be able to hold on its own. But we'll put this right here, open up the next one. Which one is this? This is the Roadrunner. Bill is here. It's kind of messed up, but trying to fix it here. And again, also has the Kith box logo. I feel like every one of them has box logo on front. I didn't really take a good look at the preview, but it looks like they're all gonna have the box logo Kith on the front, which is pretty dope. Nice branding by Kith on this doll. This tail itself is pretty firm, so I feel like this back here weighs more than the front. Pretty sick. Now let's go ahead and open this up. I can kind of already feel this by the big ass head here. This is gonna be the Tweety Bird. Yep, it's a big head. I kind of knew it from just feeling it. So Tweety Bird again, same thing with Kith logo on the front. It all seems to be. Oh no, this is gray box with white writing. Tweety Bird has white box with the gray writing, so that's pretty cool. And the next one, let's open it up. I feel like this is gonna be the Taz. This also has I think the all theme is gray and white, and the box logo in the front. So this is white Kith box logo, so I'm gonna put it here. Kind of see if it kind of comes with 4 and 4. Will be interesting to see. And the next one will be the Martian. I'll fix this. This foot has a different texture feeling. But Martian has a big hand here. Box logo Kith, all gray and white, nothing that kind of comes off. It's all pretty sewn together. He's hiding his box logo with his thumb here. Kith with white and gray writing, just like Tweety Bird, so I'm gonna put it here. I feel like it's gonna be 4 and 4. I don't know how they would have separated, but let's see. Alright, we have 3 more left. We have the Bugs Bunny. We're missing Sylvester and the duck. Let's see, this one's gonna be the duck. This one, not much detail around this, unlike other one. It's all gray. Has a white box logo with gray writing, just like the Tweety Bird and Martian. And the next one is Bugs Bunny. No joke, I kind of wish this came out last, but I wasn't picking and choosing, so I just kind of grabbed it. Here we go. It has the white logo with gray, so it kind of belongs on the left side here. Bugs Bunny, a little more detailed than the duck, but similar area as the other ones. And the last but not least, here I'll show this side. And the last but not least, we have the Sylvester and the white and gray. So 5. Let me make sure. Why would they do 5 and 3? But 5 white letter with gray and 3 white box logo with gray. So we have all 8 characters of the Looney Tune here. Pretty dope. Obviously there's way more that's been missed out, but I think the 8 collection here is pretty dope. Personally, if I have to choose the most soft, I feel like Tweety Bird is pretty soft, a little more bulkier than the other one, so good to kind of hold on to. And the most detail I think is the Martian, with everything that kind of sewn together to make the design. Again, the feet itself is more like, it's not like these soft materials. These are, I don't know, I'm trying to remember what you would call this, but definitely a different material than the other ones, so definitely a little more detailed than other ones in my opinion. But that's it. I mean, again, it's not something Supreme related. Maybe it's a little different from Hypebeast content, but Kith always bring out the best collaboration. This was their Monday program, so here we have the 8 characters from Looney Tunes. I'll give you guys a closer shot as always, and we'll wrap it up.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're